the 6 balls and after adding the 6 balls of getting a white ball. That's it, and immediately double it. It's done. So let's say the other color is red, R. So 12 balls, right? Total is 12. White equals to x. So red equals to 12 minus x. Probability of drawing a white is what? X upon 12, right? Now 6 more white balls are added. Now you know 6 more white balls are added. So total is 18 now. So white is what? White is x plus 6, right? Because earlier x, now 6 added. So probability of getting a white is x plus 6 upon 18. But what is given? This new probability is twice the earlier probability. So x plus 6 upon 18 equals to 2 into x upon 12. Solve this and you will get 12 or whatever, 6, 6, whatever you, the way you solve it. 6 2s are 6 3s are, and go on. So x equals to 3 you get. That's the answer required. So value of x is 3. Next is, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of events to get, means there are 3 to 4 sub questions over here. Two dice are thrown so that we get a sum as a prime number, means the sum of the numbers on the faces should be a prime number. Okay. Two dice thrown. So total outcomes is what? 6 square, 36, right? So required prime numbers. So prime numbers total on the face. So what is possible? Prime numbers total means what? If you add the two numbers on the face, the number should be a prime number. Means what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, maximum up to 12, because 2 dice. So the total can't go beyond 12. Right? 6 plus 6, right? So these 5 outcomes should be possible. So how are they possible? Let's check. For 2, it should be 1 1. Right, only one outcome is possible. For 5, sorry, let's go for 3. For 3, 1 2, 2 1, only two outcomes possible. Then 5, 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 4 1, so 4 outcomes possible. For 7, 1 6, 2 5. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.